Amazed by a refrigerator that just doesn't offer good aesthetics, but also the functionality. Introducing Hire's Inverter Series Frost-Free Side-by-Side Refrigerator, available in 570-litre capacity. The Inverter Series refrigerator comes with a sleek and elegant finishing that makes this unit a piece of pride in modern homes. The unit is equipped with a Twin Inverter technology that helps run both the fan motor and compressor at inverter, causing fewer fluctuations and more energy savings. This technology also allows the unit to switch to super cool mode or super freeze mode, according to your preference. The side-by-side refrigerator doors open at a precise 90-degree angle. It also lets you be in full control as it features a digital control panel where you can change the temperature settings from outside. If you are taking a vacation, switch on the Smart Holiday function that helps maintain a stable temperature range, even when you're not at home. The multi-air cooling in the unit enables cool air to rotate in every direction, making cooling remain intact and fresh. This also eliminates odor and keeps food fresh for longer. The unit has a spacious interior that comes with toughened glass shelves. These are strong enough to withstand the weight of heavy utensils. Your veggies and greens remain fresh and crisp in the dual vegetable box. There are door shelves on both the doors of the unit, making it more spacious to store your water bottles or cola cans with ease. Available with a 1-year warranty on product and 10 years warranty on compressor.
Get this product on Amazon.
You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for